Just a short video to show you how to make a very simple Google Doc. So the first thing you need to do is sign into your Google account, and you can see there I've got two Google accounts. This one here with the .ac.uk ending, that is my college account that my Google Classroom is linked to. So I want to open this one here, so I'll just click on that. So it asks me for my password. So you can see I'm in now. This is my drive. I've got it organized with various folders which are nice and easy to create. So if you wanted to make a new folder, you just hit that new button, folder. So just give it a name. So let's go for demo, create, and there it is there. We want to make a Google Doc, so we just hit the new button, Google Docs. And there it is there. A blank page on the screen, very much like the beginnings of a Word document. The great thing about Google Docs is you don't have to hit the save button, it automatically saves to your drive, and then you can organize the drive in it whichever way you want with folders and that sort of thing. But we're just going to start and create a very basic document. Just wanted to show you some of the formatting tools that are helpful when you're doing chemistry work. So we'll just call it my first Google Doc, and you'll notice that at the moment it says untitled document. If I click on there, it automatically defaults to whatever's in your title section. Now if you're happy with that, then just leave it. You can click back on there and change it to whatever you want. So let's go for, here's a chemical equation. Okay, so let's do the equation for carbon plus oxygen to make carbon dioxide. So I'll come back and do the subscript on that too in a second. Just want to show you how I do an arrow. So I just go for two of those, hit the greater than key, and then as soon as you press space, it automatically turns into an arrow. So that's pretty good. Okay, so go back and subscript these. So I highlight the number, and then I hold down the control, or if it's a Mac, it's the command button, control comma, and there you see it's dropped down. And you can either do the same again for this too, or if it was the last operation you performed, control Y or command Y will redo the previous operation. So I'll use command Y now, and there you see it's gone. And that's still in sort of subscript mode. If I just hit control and the comma again, it takes it back to the normal style of typing. Let's suppose we wanted to do something which had an unusual symbol. So let's say, remember the Q equals MC delta T. So we need a delta there. I'll just type it in for the moment. So we want a delta there, okay? So let's just delete delta. And if we go to insert, so there it is there, and then special characters, we get this box here, which basically all you need to do is draw with your cursor the shape of the symbol you're after, and it'll recognize that and come up with, oh, do you want one of those, do you want one of those, do you want one of those, and so on. So I want the Greek capital delta, so hit that and just close this box, and there it is there. So that's pretty good. What else do we need to be able to do? Let's say we want to do moles per decimeter cubed units, so mol dm -3. So this time I'll just put a space in there so we don't have to sort of turn the font back. So we highlight to the -3. Now I want a superscript, so I'm going to hold the command or control button, but this time it's the full stop. You can see it goes up like that. So So this document is automatically saved on your Google Drive, so I don't need to press File Save or anything like that. I could just close this down. So there's the document there. It's at the top of this list of documents after the folders, because I've got this ordered for last modified. So let's suppose we wanted to put that in that folder that I created. So there's two ways to do that. You can either do it straight away from the document, and to do that you would just say File, Organize, and then it brings up, there's that folder there, Demo, so you just hit that and press Move. I'm not going to do that because I want to show you this way of doing it. So let's go back to the drive. There it is there. Right click, Move to, Demo, and then hit the Move button and it's in there now. So if we just go to the demo folder, there it is there.